the boat in the water. It looks crooked for some reason. Welcome back, guys. Day 2, Lake Falcon, and yeah, we stunk it up yesterday. So the goal is to go redeem ourselves. We're gonna fish a little different, well, a lot different, because you don't want to do the same thing twice, get the same result, all that kind of stuff. So new game plan, new everything, and hopefully we can at least have a decent day today. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see what happens.
6.5 hours later.
Well, I didn't have my camera on, didn't have the chesty on, but we ended up, catching one good fish so far. So the day's not a bust. I'm gonna get Makani to pull it out. It's a pretty good one. I say it's about 4.5, 5 pounds. It's the only one for the day right there. So hopefully we can get some more.